Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its unparalleled array of facilities that blur the distinction between a luxurious house and a cutting-edge mobile retreat, the 2026 Prevost Millennium, a conceptual masterpiece in the world of luxury RVs, is set to revolutionize mobile life. The claim that it can change from movie theater to spa is not merely hyperbole. Rather, it is evidence of its incredibly adaptable, cutting-edge custom design. This vehicle is the ultimate in custom coach building, and it is built on the tried-and-true, long-lasting, and incredibly smooth Prevost bus chassis. The 2026 Prevost Millennium would have a powerful yet elegant appearance on the outside. While maintaining the Prevost chassis' recognizable form, the bodywork would serve as a blank canvas for custom artwork. Picture an aerodynamic, smooth design with double-paned, flush-mounted windows and a high-gloss, multi-stage paint job that reflects light like a mirror. The vehicle would be equipped with a series of hydraulic slide-outs that, when deployed, produce a huge internal volume, allowing for truly expansive living quarters. The unmatched opulence inside would be hinted at by the carefully designed trim and subtle external illumination. Its transforming power is most evident within the Prevost Millennium. With a special space that can be transformed into a cinematic experience, the movie theater element would be an important feature. A big, HD screen that pulls back from a ceiling panel, a strong surround sound system, and comfortable motion-activated seats that can be adjusted for watching movies would all be part of this. With blackout blinds for the ideal cinematic darkness, the entire room would be acoustically designed to provide a secluded and engrossing watching experience. The spa function would be equally stunning. A wellness sanctuary would be created in a specific area of the motorhome. This could contain a full-sized hot tub or hydrotherapy bath, a private massage room, and a large, glass-enclosed shower with several jets and steam features. An environment of complete relaxation would be produced by luxurious finishes like marble or solid surface worktops and cutting-edge climate control. With strong water and waste management systems built to accommodate such in-demand facilities, the spa would be a tribute to the engineering of the vehicle. Every aspect of the 2026 Prevost Millennium would be exceptional, even beyond these two standout qualities. Professional-grade integrated appliances, such as a full-size refrigerator, a convection oven, and an induction cooktop, would make the kitchen a gourmet area. With its king-sized bed, spacious closet, and private, tastefully furnished en-suite bathroom, the master suite would be a peaceful haven. With a complete, voice-activated smart home automation system managing the lighting, climate, entertainment, and security, technology would be seamlessly incorporated throughout. In the end, the 2026 Prevost Millennium is a masterpiece of custom luxury design. It's more than just a motorhome. It's a mobile, completely adjustable luxury home that can be tailored to its owner's preferences and needs. It can accommodate everything from a spa to a movie theater, all inside one stunning vehicle.